Bajaj, innovative farm-to-table engineering.
This guide-mounted unit is designed to process fresh milk efficiently, helping us produce a variety of products. From fresh milk packed into pouches to creamy yogurt in cups and even high-quality cheese, this unit ensures the perfect texture and flavor every time. Milk is transferred to the pasteurizer, where it's heated to 65 to 70 degrees Celsius for pouch milk and 85 to 90 degrees Celsius for yogurt and cheese production. Once heated to the desired temperature, the milk is transferred to the fermentation tank, while cultures and other mixes are added to create the perfect yogurt flavor.
Yogurt cup filling machine.
Prepared, they're moved to the cold room, keeping the milk products at the perfect temperature to preserve freshness and quality.